And you know what, Kelly? It's true. I do have an attitude about the universal laws. I am passionate about having people understand that there are many universal laws and not one or two. And so often in personal sessions, clients refer to the law of attraction and the law of abundance and almost as if they're the very same law, because whatever I want to attract myself should bring me tremendous abundance. So they wrap them into one and then go out and try and live their life or try to utilize their energy to create what they want in life without understanding that there are all kinds of other laws that interface with it.
That are necessary to be a part of abundance and attraction. So you have things like action, choice, flexibility, process. And if we're not engaging in those universal laws, then we're not truthfully engaging in abundance or attraction either, which people don't understand. And I think, that's not necessarily the fault of the audience. It's not the fault of consumers if that's all that people are putting in front of them.
Right.
Right? They don't necessarily know what they don't know.
Yep. That's right. So, and I liken it, I always use the analogy of saying, I really want to build a house and I have a nail and a hammer. And that's a law of attraction and abundance.
And I should be able to build an entire house with these two things only.
Yeah. And I try and use that analogy because people get that and go, oh, right. And some will say, well, what's wrong with that?
Hire a contractor.
And I'll say things like, well, if you don't have a leveler, that means nothing's going to be stable, right? Nothing is going to be even. And they go, oh,
P.S.
right.
There's no foundation. Sips of Sanity airs the first week of every month. Catch the full series on patreon.com/BySarlo.